Creation without any pre-planning and structure in mind always result in a rumble fumble of words. The structure of your video can make all the difference between a successful marketing campaign and a big waste of time. So if you are serious about making a great video marketing campaign and developing a potential customer base, you'll need to make a workable structure for your video. Because a well-structured video helps you to stay on track, helps you in engaging the audience, also always place you on a higher rank, provide consistency and familiarity to viewers. Now let's just discuss on how you can structure your video. For creating a professional marketing video, the basic and the most natural formula is intro plus great content plus outro is equals to the professional video. So what does that mean? It means that always keep the sequence like in the first section, always place the intro, in the middle section, place the content, and the last section should be the outro. And the mixture of all these three in this sequence will result in a professional marketing video. In the previous video, we have already talked about intros and outros. So let's just take a look on building our main content. Follow the steps to structure the content in a professional way. So what are the steps? The first step is frame a problem your target audience might have. The second step is move on to the solution. And the third step is to put more light to the solution. So let's just discuss all these three steps. The first one is the frame the problem. So talk about what are the problems your viewers or your audience have and how it is affecting them. Take a few minutes to describe all this. Frame the issues in a way that viewers can relate to you and the issues you are talking about. You can frame the problem through an anecdote or you can start with the question. The second step is to move on to the solution. Once you have discussed about all the problems, now is the time to offer the solution to the audience. How you will do this? Just discuss how did you find the solution? Is it easy or is it hard? How it helped you in solving your problem? If necessary, compare it to the other solution and prove why it must be chosen in priority. The last step is to put more light to the solution. In this section, you will need to work creatively so that viewers do not get bored. It may be long or short, depending on the product or service you are marketing for. Explain everything in detail, but not out of the topic. Discuss to the particular solution and be very specific. At last, add the outro including CTA and you are done with the structuring part.